The majestic natural wonders of Vietnam. Vietnam is a land of breathtaking natural beauty, where towering limestone mountains, vast emerald bays, and ancient caves form an extraordinary landscape. From the world-famous Halong Bay to the mysterious depths of Doong Cave, Vietnam's natural wonders have captivated travelers and scientists alike. Join us on a journey to explore these awe-inspiring destinations, uncovering their secrets and the incredible forces that shaped them over millions of years. Halong Bay, the Dragon's Descent. Located in northern Vietnam, Halong Bay is one of the most iconic natural wonders in the world. With over 1,600 limestone islands and islets scattered across the Gulf of Tonkin, the bay resembles a mystical landscape straight out of a legend. In fact, local folklore tells the story of a mighty dragon that descended from the heavens, creating the jagged karst formations as it thrashed its tail upon landing. Scientists, however, attribute the bay's formation to millions of years of geological evolution, where erosion and tectonic activity sculpted these breathtaking rock formations. Today, Halong Bay is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Attracting visitors who come to explore its stunning caves, hidden lagoons, and floating fishing villages. A cruise through Halong Bay is like stepping into another world, where mist-covered peaks rise dramatically from the emerald waters. Son Doong, the world's largest cave. Deep within the Phong Nha-Kẻ Bàng National Park lies Son Doong, the largest cave on the planet. First discovered by a local farmer in 1991 and later explored by British cavers in 2009, Son Doong is so vast that an entire New York City block could fit inside. The cave contains its own ecosystem, complete with underground rivers, towering stalagmites, and even a lush jungle where sunlight filters through massive sinkholes in the ceiling. Formed over 2 to 5 million years ago, Son Doong is still a relatively untouched marvel. The expedition to reach its depths is one of the most challenging and exclusive adventures in the world, with only a limited number of visitors allowed each year. Walking inside Son Doong is like stepping back in time, into a prehistoric world that remains virtually unexplored. Phong Nha-Kẻ Bàng, a geological wonderland, beyond Sun Dong, Phong Nha-Kẻ Bang National Park is home to one of the most extensive cave systems in the world. With over 300 caves and grottos, this UNESCO-listed site is a paradise for adventurers and scientists alike. Some of its most famous caves include Phong Nha Cave, known for its stunning underground river, and Paradise Cave, which stretches for over 31 kilometers. This region is one of the oldest karst formations in Asia, dating back approximately 400 million years. The caves were formed by water eroding the limestone over countless millennia, creating spectacular formations that continue to evolve. Today, Phong Nha-Kẻ Bang is not only a place of scientific importance but also a prime destination for ecotourism and adventure seekers. The Doong Karst Plateau, a geological museum. Rising over 1,000 meters above sea level, the Doong Karst Plateau in Ha Giang province is a mesmerizing landscape of rugged limestone mountains and deep canyons. This UNESCO Global Geopark is often referred to as a geological museum, due to its rich history spanning hundreds of millions of years. Fossils found here suggest that this region was once an ancient seabed, long before the towering peaks we see today emerged from the Earth's crust. The plateau is also home to diverse ethnic minority communities, such as the Hmong, Dao, and Tay, who have adapted to the harsh mountainous environment. Their terraced rice fields, traditional stilt houses, and vibrant markets add cultural richness to this stunning natural landscape. Travelers who make the journey to Doong Ban are rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views and a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. The sand dunes of Mui Ne, Vietnam's mini Sahara. Contrasting with Vietnam's lush landscapes, the sand dunes of Mui Ne offer a completely different kind of natural wonder. The red and white sand dunes stretch as far as the eye can see, sculpted by the wind into mesmerizing patterns. This desert-like environment is a rare sight in Southeast Asia and provides a surreal experience for visitors who can try sandboarding or take a jeep tour at sunrise. Scientists believe that these dunes were formed by strong coastal winds carrying sand from the nearby beaches, creating ever-shifting landscapes. The warm hues of the dunes, especially at sunset, make Mui Ne a dreamlike destination for photographers and nature lovers alike. Ba Bi Lake, the hidden gem of northern Vietnam. Nestled within the limestone mountains of Bac Con, Ba Bi Lake is the largest freshwater lake in Vietnam and one of the country's most pristine natural wonders. Formed over 200 million years ago, this lake is surrounded by dense forests, waterfalls, and underground rivers. It is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including rare species such as the Chinese pangolin and the Indo-Chinese tiger. Babi is not just a scenic wonder, it is also deeply ingrained in local mythology. According to legend, the lake was created by the gods to protect a kind-hearted widow and her son from a catastrophic flood. Today, the peaceful waters of Babi offer visitors a tranquil escape, where they can kayak, trek through the jungle, or visit the caves that dot the landscape. Vietnam's natural wonders are more than just beautiful landscapes. They are living testaments to the powerful forces of nature and the resilience of life. From the towering limestone karsts of Halong Bay to the untouched depths of Doong Cave, these destinations remind us of the Earth's incredible history and the importance of preserving its beauty. Whether you seek adventure, inspiration, or simply a connection with nature, Vietnam's majestic landscapes will leave you in awe.